Jai Hind dear children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will do revision from linear equation in one variable and I will pick some questions from your book itself. Okay, so that if any question may be twisted or any type of linear equation will be in front of you, you are able to solve it. So let's solve some questions. So I am going to take question number 6. Okay, it is 5 into 5 in a bracket 2x minus 3, then minus 3, 3x minus 7 bracket close is equal to 5. Children, whenever you write the question for solution, please check it once whether you have written the correct one or not. Okay, and then start solving it. So it is 5 in a bracket 2x minus 3 minus 3, 3x minus 7 is equal to 5. If you will face such type of question, then what you have to do, you have to open the bracket first. Whatever number or variable is outside the bracket, you will multiply that number with all the terms which is inside the bracket. Like in this term, there are two, in this bracket there are two terms. One is 2x and another one is minus 3. Here also inside a bracket there are two terms. So whatever number is outside the bracket, it will multiply with both the terms. Okay, so what will be our sequence for solving, children? First we will put the sign, then we will multiply this number with all the terms which is inside the bracket. It is positive, so none of the sign will get changed. If outside the bracket there is positive, its sign will remain same. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 children. Okay, 10 and x is also there, so we will write x, 10x. Now plus minus minus, we are doing multiplication, no? We are doing multiplication, bracket means multiplication. So if you are doing multiplication, signs are different, minus will come, plus minus minus. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. Okay, then next one is, see the sign, minus plus, signs are different children, minus plus, you will put minus sign, then multiply the number, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, and then x. Next, minus minus, signs are same children, so you will put plus sign. In multiplication we have done it. So minus minus will become plus, 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21, that is equal to 5. 5 is alone there. Now we have opened the bracket. Slowly you will open the bracket, and then now you will segregate all the variable terms on one side and constant terms on other side. Okay, so we are having 10x, this one, and we are having minus 9x. These two are constant terms, so you can write it side by side. 10x minus 9x, and this is minus 15 children, write down here, plus 21. Let me solve and then I will transpose it. Let me solve this first and then we will transpose it. So we have what we have done till now, we have collected the variable term side by side and constant term minus 15, so you will write minus 15 only, same sign. Okay, plus 21, because it is already, it is still here in this side, in left hand side. So now 10x minus 9x is x. Out of 10, 9 is gone, so only 1 is left, that is x. Now minus 15 plus 21, focus here children, focus there, minus 15 and plus 21, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so you will subtract, okay, 15 will be subtracted by 21 and 6 will be left, and whose sign? The bigger number sign, positive. So x plus 6, x plus 6 is equal to 5. Now we will transpose this 6 to other side because we have to find the value of x. So we have to make it alone. x को हमको alone रखना है. x is equal to 5. Now when this positive 6 will transpose to RHS, this positive sign will become negative. So plus 6 will become minus 6. Now x is equal to, children, again signs are different. One is positive, one is negative. So what we will do? We will subtract. We will subtract from bigger. Obviously 5 will subtract it from 6. 1 will be left, and whose sign will apply? The bigger number sign. 6 is bigger here and its sign is minus. So minus. So this is the answer. Okay. X is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. You can check it also while substituting the value of x in the question. Wherever you find x, put minus 1, solve this. If LHS is equal to RHS, RHS is 5. If LHS will also become 5, then it means your answer is correct. So you can solve check portion also for your satisfaction that your answer is correct. X is equal to 1 is correct. Okay. Now let's take some other example. So let me take question number 10. It is same, but I am doing because then you are able to solve this question very well. Okay. Now let's solve question number 10. And these questions we have not done in classwork, children. I have given these questions for homework. So maybe you people have the problem. That's why I have shorted out. I am only collecting the even number question for revision. Now the question is 3x plus 2 in a bracket x plus 2 is equal to 20, then in a bracket, not bracket, minus, then 2x minus 5. This is the question. Okay, this is the question, children. How to solve this? Now again we will open the bracket. So 3x plus will come. 2 into no number means 1. No number means 1. 2 into 1, 2x plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 20 minus plus minus. Signs are different, so minus will come. 2x and minus signs are same. Minus signs are same, so plus will come. Plus 5. Okay. Now segregate the constant term and variable term. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 4, that is equal to 20 plus 5, children. 20 plus 5, 25 minus 2x. Now it's simplified on both sides. Now we will separate the variable term on one side and constant term on other side. So 5x, when this minus 2x, the whole term, when minus 2x, the whole term will transpose here, it will become plus 2x. That is equal to 25, and here it is minus 4. So minus 4 when transposed to RHS, plus 4 when this is plus 4, children, plus 4 when transposed to RHS, it will become minus 4. So 5 plus 2, 7x is equal to 25 minus 4 is 21. Now x is equal to 21. Now we are only separating this 7 from here. We are not transposing 7x to that side. We are transposing only a part of it. ये पूरा एक टर्म है, इसमें से सिर्फ एक पार्ट लेके जा रहे हैं 7. So ये 7 उधर पॉजिटिव ही जाएगा बेटा. अगर आप इस पूरे टर्म को ले जाते तो प्लस 7 विल बिकम माइनस 7 टू दैट साइड. जैसे कि ये 2x को आप लेके आए थे, माइनस 2x विल बिकम प्लस 2x, क्योंकि पूरा टर्म आप लेके आए हो. बट इफ यू विल शिफ्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, देन 7 विल गो. माइनस 7 मत लेके जाइएगा. नो नीड टू गेट कंफ्यूज. पूरा टर्म ले जाएंगे तो साइन चेंज होगा. अगर उस टर्म में से एक पार्ट लेके जा रहे हैं, 7 को हमको उधर ट्रांसपोज करना है बिकॉज वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. तो इसको इससे सेपरेट करना होगा. 7 इज इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन विथ x, सो 7 विल गो फॉर डिवीजन. ओके, 7 विल गो फॉर डिवीजन, और जो भी टर्म है वो सबसे डिवाइड होगा वो जाके. तो यहाँ पे एक ही टर्म है तो 21/7. X is equal to 7. 7 3s are 21. So the value of X is what? The value of X is 3 now. Okay. So now I think you are able to solve such problems. Let's see some other question. Let me erase this, children. Question number 16 I am solving. Question number 16. 3x minus 1 by 5. 3x minus 1 by 5. This is having denominator. Okay. 3x minus 1 by 5 minus x by 7 minus x by 7 is equal to 3. This is the question, children. And now if you find such type of linear equation where you find some denominators, the very first thing is that take the LCM of those denominator. जितने भी denominator हैं इस linear equation में उसको आप collect कीजिए and find out its LCM. After finding the LCM of those denominators, we will multiply the LCM on both side. दोनों side में हम multiply करेंगे. So let's find out the LCM first. LCM of denominators 5 and 7 is 35. 5 और 7 का LCM क्या है? 35 है. Now multiplying 35 on both side, children. दोनों साइड में 35 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर भी और इधर भी. ठीक है. What is on LHS? LHS में ये दोनों टर्म है, so keep it in bracket. So LHS में ये रख लिया आपने 3x minus 1 by 5 and minus है तो माइनस ही लिखेंगे x by 7. I have just written the LHS term here only. कुछ नहीं किया मैम ने जो क्वेश्चन में था LHS टर्म वो पूरा लिख दिया. यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स है. Keep it in bracket but and here it is 3, so write down 3 and we will multiply both the side by 3. तो 35 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो गया तो 35 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, not 3. I have written it wrong. It's 35, children, because LCM is 35. So 35 will multiply on our LHS also. 35 will multiply with RHS also. Clear? Now we will start solving. आप कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा? So ये जो टर्म है, ये जो नंबर आया है, ये नंबर हम हर एक टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. This will multiply with this also and x by 7 से भी 35 मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 35 किससे यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 3 से. वो तो अलोन है. ठीक है. So now let's start. 35 keep it in bracket 3x minus 1 by 5. अभी हमने 35 को फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई किया ऐसे. Keep it in bracket. Then प्लस माइनस, साइन देखो बेटा, प्लस माइनस माइनस 35 into this 35 into x by 7. Keep it in bracket. Okay, कुछ नहीं. 35 को पहले इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन माइनस आएगा क्योंकि प्लस माइनस विल बिकम माइनस. फिर 35 को x by 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and that is equal to 35 into 3. Now we will solve. ये होल अपॉन है ना, ये होल अपॉन. कभी हम ऐसे नहीं कट कर सकते कि 5 को आपने इधर जल्दी से काट दिया, नहीं. ये जब तक पूरा होल अपॉन समथिंग नहीं होगा तभी आप काट पाएंगे इसको. अदरवाइज यू कांट सिंप्लीफाई. दिस यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई बिकॉज इट इज होल अपॉन 5. सो नाउ यू कैन कट 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. ऐसे ये भी आप कट कर सकते हो क्योंकि ये होल अपॉन 7 है. ठीक है. 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35. ऐसे और वहां पे वो सॉल्व होगा. सो ये हो गया 7 into 3x minus 1 minus 5 into x is equal to 5 3s are 15 and 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. 105 आ जाएगा वहां पे. Now open the bracket. अभी इससे पहले दो क्वेश्चन किए थे हमने. ठीक है. We will open the bracket and then we will solve it. 7 3s are 21x plus minus minus. Signs are different. 7 1s are 7. Open. Now this 5 minus 5 into x, 5x होगा और बाहर माइनस है तो minus 5x is equal to 105. ऐसे. Now I am solving here. 21x and minus 5x. 21x and minus 5x is equal to 105 and this minus 7 will transpose to other side. क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, now we are segregating the constant term on one side and variable term on one side. So 21x और 5x को इधर ही रहने देते हैं और minus 7 will go to RHS because ये constant term है, तो minus 7 को हम उधर ले जाएंगे जिधर constant term है. 105 is a constant term. So minus 7 when it will go to that side, it will become plus 7. ठीक है, it will become plus 7. Now 21 minus 5. 21 minus 5 is 16. 16x is equal to 112. So प्लस करेंगे जब आप 105 plus 7 को तो 112 आएगा. Now x is equal to 112 by 16. ठीक है, clear? Now what we will do? We will simplify it. We will simplify. Okay, now 16 how many times? Come on, 16 sevens are, ठीक है, 16 sevens are 112. So you will simplify. X is equal to 7. This is the answer. Clear children? So when you will simplify it, you will get x is equal to 7. How we have done? You know it very well now. If the denominators are there, take their LCM, collect it and just find out the LCM, multiply that LCM on both side and then simplify it in this way. Simplify it properly, otherwise if you will do mistake in any one of the step, the rest part will be totally wrong. So you have to do it very sincerely, children. Now let's see the next question. Any other question which we can do? Let me go to the next page and 30 question I will solve because one of the boy has asked this. But before that, let me solve question number 22. I am solving question number 22. Question number 22, children. It is 2 by 7. It's not working. 2 by 7 in a bracket. 2 by 7 in a bracket. X minus 9. X minus 9. Then plus x by 3. Plus x by 3 is equal to 3. This is the question, children. Now you can see it. Okay. Now what we can do? See here, LCM of denominators. We can find two denominators. So no need to solve it. We'll just start solving and then find out. No. In the very beginning, just take the LCM of the denominators so that we can simplify it, we can remove it. हम denominators को कैसे हटा दें so that our steps will be easier for us. So for that, the very first step is, if you find any denominator, take the LCM of those denominator and multiply it on both sides. So LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So 21 will multiply on both sides. So here it is 2 by 7 x minus 9 plus x by 3. इसको आप ब्रैकेट में रखिए ऐसे, ठीक है, ये ऐसे. That is equal to 21 into 3. ठीक है. 21 will multiply with these two terms which is inside the bracket, and 21 will multiply with 3 also. 21 is the LCM of the given denominators. Now we will open it. पहले 21 इससे multiply होगा इस term से, then 21 will multiply with this term. So 21 2/7 x माइनस 9 प्लस, ये हो गया बंद, ठीक है बेटा, ऐसे है, देन प्लस प्लस है तो प्लस ही आएगा 21 इंटू एक्स बाई 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 1 जा 3 एंड 3 2 जा 6, ठीक है। नाउ दिस विल मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस। अब ये क्या है, ये 2/7 ऑफ x माइनस 9 है, यानी है क्या बेटा, दिस इज होल अपॉन 7 है, होल अपॉन 7 है। ऐसे दिखने में नहीं दिख रहा है होल अपॉन 7, बट इट इज बिकॉज in numerator 2 is multiplying with this, so 7 will also be in denominator of x minus 9. So you can solve 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 are 21. Here 3 7s are 21. ऐसे. Now there is no denominator. After this we will solve it as we used to solve. We used to open the bracket. 3 है यहाँ पे in a bracket 2 into x minus 9 plus 7 into x is equal to 63. अब ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर ब्रैकेट है तो पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे और फिर जो भी आएगा दैट विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 3. सो 3 2 into x 2x माइनस 2 into 9 9 2 जा 18 ऐसे प्लस 7x is equal to 63. ठीक है. Now after this it will not be visible, or let me write one more step. Now 3 will multiply with these two, so 3 2 just 6x. ठीक है. I think it is visible. Yes, it is visible. Now I'm going to shift here. 6x plus 7x. 6x plus 7x, children. How much? 13x. Is equal to 63 plus 54. 63 plus 54, children. है ना? This minus 54 will transpose to that side. Clear? Now 13x is equal to 3 plus 4 7 and 6 plus what is this 117. So x is equal to how much? 117 by 13. Okay, 117 by 13. And when you will simplify it, what you will get? You will get 9. X is equal to 9. 13 9s are 117. So the value of x is 9. In this way we can solve such type of questions. Okay. One more question I will solve, that is question number 30. I hope these questions are clear to you, children. If you will do practice, this linear equation chapter will become easier for you. It's very easy, children. Question number 30. 0.5x 0.5x point is visible minus 8 minus 0.8 then minus 0.2 x is equal to 0.2 0.2 then minus 0.3x. This is the question, children, and this we have to solve. So whenever you find such type of question, what you can do, you can convert it into fraction. That will be easier for you. Or if you want, you can simplify it as you used to do. In this case, we can simplify it as it is, because I have seen there is no such further multiplication. 0.5x, open the bracket, minus plus will become minus. So 0.8 minus minus, children, minus minus will become plus. So it is plus 0.2x and that is equal to 0.2 minus 0.3x. Now this is having x term, both were having plus sign, so we can add. When you will add 0.5 and 0.2, okay, what you will get? You will get 0.7. ठीक है, ऐसे जब आप इनको ऐड करेंगे 0.5 को और 0.2 को आपको क्या मिलेगा? 0.7. सो यू विल राइट 0.7x. फिर यहाँ पर सिर्फ 0.8 है बेटा, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.2 माइनस 0.3x. ऐसे सॉल्व करिए, एंड देन we will separate the constant term to RHS and the variable term to this side. Okay, segregating the variable term and constant term. So 0.7x तो already इधर है, वो जब इधर आएगा तो it will become 0.3x. Minus will become plus. That is minus. When it will transpose to this side, the whole term is coming here, so it will become plus. That is equal to 0.2. This minus, when it will transpose to that side, it will become plus. It will become plus. 7 and 3, children. 0.7 and 0.3. When you will add, what you will get? 7 plus 3, 10. 0 यहाँ रहेगा, 1 will come here. So 1.0. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1.0x. And here, same thing. 0.2 and 0.8. 0.2 children and 0.8. 0.2 and 0.8. When you will add them, so 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 यहाँ पे आया और 1 यहाँ गया. Decimal will be here only. So this is 1.0. This is also 1.0. So x is equal to 1.0 divided by this will transpose to other side 1.0. So this is same, that is 1. x is equal to 1. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई बेटा? 1. Okay, so as I have find that there is no such multiplication and any complex calculation, that's why I have used this decimal same form, and I have added the decimal number with decimal number, and here we have divided the decimal number by decimal number. But if you will find that in decimal numbers there are some more numbers, integers, and you have to multiply and you have to do other things, or the denominators are of different values, so you can convert the decimal number into fraction. That will be easier for you. After converting the decimal number into fraction, ये 0.5 को अगर आपको fraction में लिखना होगा तो 5/10 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, then collect the denominators, find its LCM, multiply it on both sides. उसके बाद denominator खत्म करके अपना solve कीजिए. ठीक है, so आपको डेसिमल फिर नहीं प्रॉब्लम करेगा. बट व्हाट आई फील दैट इफ यू सी सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, टेक इट एज इट इज. डेसिमल को डेसिमल की तरह लेके सॉल्व करिए. ठीक है, सो आई होप दिस रिवीजन क्लास इज हेल्पफुल टू यू. इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल do the revision of next chapter, children. Okay, till then children, keep practicing and have a nice day.